Let's learn 150 action verbs with fun and simple sentences. Daily life action verb. I eat rice and vegetables. She drinks a glass of milk. We sleep at night. He wakes up early in the morning. I bathe every day. She dresses herself for school. They clean the room together. My mom cooks delicious food. We shop for groceries on Friday. Dad can repair the broken fan. Physical action verb. I run fast in the playground. She can jump over the rope. He will kick the ball. Please push the door. They pull the rope together. I can lift this small box. He will throw the ball to me. Can you catch the apple? We climb the tree slowly. She likes to swim in the pool. Let's dance to the music. I walk to school every day. The baby can crawl now. He will slide down the hill. We roll on the grass and laugh. Mental action verb. I think about my homework. She likes to imagine flying in the sky. I remember my teacher's name. Sometimes I forget my keys. We understand the lesson now. He can analyze the problem well. I calculate the numbers quickly. They decide to go on a trip. Let's plan a birthday party. I try to focus on my reading. Communication action verb. I speak clearly in class. He can shout very loudly. She likes to whisper secrets. Please explain the story to me. I want to ask a question. He will answer the phone. We discuss the project together. They argue about the game. She tries to persuade her friend. The two teams negotiate a deal. Social action verb. We meet new friends at school. She greets everyone with a smile. He introduces himself politely. They invite us to the party. We celebrate festivals happily. I thank my teacher for help. She apologizes for being late. He forgives his friend quickly. They support each other always. We donate clothes to the needy. Creative action verb. I love to write stories. She can draw a cat. We paint with bright colors. He likes to sing songs. The girl will compose a tune. They design a beautiful dress. He wants to invent a new toy. We build a house with blocks. The artist sculpts a lion. She can craft a paper flower. Emotional action verb. We laugh at funny jokes. The baby starts to cry. She gives a sweet smile. He begins to frown in anger. They hug each other tightly. Mom gives a goodnight kiss. I try to comfort my friend. She always encourages me. The crowd cheers for the team. Dad soothes the crying baby.
Work-related action verb. I work hard every day. She can manage the team well. We organize the books on the shelf. He will lead the group project. The teacher delegates tasks to students. She supervises the workers. They coordinate the school event. He can operate the computer. We execute the plan carefully. I complete my homework on time. Education-related action verb. Teachers teach us new things. I love to learn English. She studies for the test. He likes to read storybooks. We memorize new words every day. I practice speaking English daily. They research about animals. Can you solve this math problem? She asks a question in class. The teacher demonstrates the experiment. Travel-related action verb. We love to travel to new places. He can drive a car safely. They fly to another country. We sail across the river. She likes to ride a bicycle. Let's explore the jungle. He can navigate with a map. They wander around the city. Birds migrate in winter. We tour the old palace. Competitive action verb. We want to win the game. Sometimes we lose, but we learn. They compete in the spelling contest. He likes to challenge his friends. Our team can defeat the champions. She scores a goal in football. I train every day to get better. We practice before the big match. He works hard to improve his skills. She wants to master the piano. Technology-related action verb. I type fast on the keyboard. She can code a website. He learns to program computers. We download games from the internet. Please upload the photo here. They browse many websites. Click the button to start. Scroll down to see more. Hackers try to break security. I install new apps on my phone. Fighting-related action verb. They fight to protect their land. He will attack the target carefully. Soldiers defend the country bravely. She tries to block the opponent's move. The boxer strikes quickly. The guard can shoot accurately. The thief tries to escape quietly. We hide behind the wall. Bomb squad experts defuse bombs safely. The enemy had to surrender. Nature-related action verb. Plants grow in the sunlight. We plant trees in the garden. She waters the flowers every morning. Farmers harvest crops in autumn. He digs a hole for the tree. Monkeys climb trees quickly. Fish swim in the river. Birds fly high in the sky. Lions hunt for food in the wild. We fish by the lake. Adventure action verb. We explore the deep forest. She discovers a hidden cave. They risk their lives for the treasure. He tries to survive in the wild. The team conquers the mountain peak.